Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit a PDF in Canva. So first of all, you want to upload that PDF document in Canva. So when you're logged in into Canva, you want to click on the drop down tab under Design Spotlight and there's PDF Editor. Click on it. Now you need to upload the document. So click on Upload your PDF. I'm going to choose this PDF document. So this is the document. I'm going to zoom. So to edit the document, just type anywhere and you can make changes. I'm going to type the date here. So it's going to be March 1st, 2023. Now with this, you can also move around the words. So for example, I can move around this. I'm going to make some changes here. I'm going to edit this. I'm going to remove quick easy. I'll remove this hyphen. I'll change the color of this email newsletters. I'll choose red. So I can adjust this picture if I want it. I can increase the size or decrease it, and I can also move it around. So I'm going to remove this picture. I'm going to say delete image. I'm going to add another image here. I'm going to use this image. So whatever images you would like to use, you can upload it or you can choose any one of these. I'm going to choose this image. I'm going to just adjust the size. And once I drag it over the picture frame, it automatically fits in the frame. I'm going to make some changes here. Here's another image. I'll delete just the image. So I'm going to place this image here. I'm going to adjust it, place it over the frame, and I'm going to release the mouse and it automatically fits. So I'll delete this frame. I'm going to place a logo here. I'm going to my uploads here. I'll place this logo here. So I'll just drag it over the frame and it fits. I'll remove this picture logo there. So I'm going to place an envelope icon here for mail. I'm going to use this icon here. I'm just going to drag it up here and adjust the size. I could move this newsletter in the middle. And move this in the center. So I'm going to place a background color. So on the left side, there's background. I'll click on that. And I have a lot of choices here. I can change the colors here. I'll choose this color. So this is how it looks. So you can access the Draw app. So to access that, on the left side, click on apps and just type draw and hit enter. You're going to get this app icon. Click on it, click on use and choose whatever pen you would like to use. So I'm going to click on the pen. I'm going to click on red. And if you have a stylus pen, it's better. I'm using the mouse as an example. And when I'm done, just click done and that's it. So now that I've made a lot of changes on this PDF document, I can save it. So to save it, just click on share, click download, and it says file type. Click on the drop down tab, select PDF standard, or you can choose PDF print. I'm going to choose PDF standard. Click download. So it's here. I'm going to open it. As you can see, all the changes that I made was saved. So Canva has a lot of tools and features that you can use to edit a PDF document. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.